Okay, dear students, we are in the sheet number 6, question number D. Okay, so what is question number D? In the top right hand corner, draw two circles. Okay, itne daira of radius 15 and radius 25, about 60 to 70 millimeters apart, and fit an arc of radius 100 above the two circles. Okay, so the radius is given. So question number D. So R1 is given as 15, R2 given as 25. Okay, radius 1 and radius 2, two circles which are apart, yani distance musafa bainal circle come apart by 60 to 70 mm. So now in this case I am taking 70 mm. Okay, and fit an arc, radius of curvature is given as 100. Okay, so let's draw. First we have to draw a line which is 70 millimeters. So take a scale. Okay, and draw a line of 70 millimeters. Right. Okay, from 0 to 70 millimeters. Okay, so this part is done now. Now we have to, what we have to do, we have to draw two circles, radius 1, radius 2. So radius 1, 15. So we have to draw a circle with radius 15. Okay, for this take a compass and adjust the radius as 15. See here, adjust the radius to 15. Okay, after adjusting the radius to 15, keep the compass here on the left side and draw a circle. Okay, after drawing the circle, the second circle, the first circle is over now. Now drawing the second circle of radius 25. So increase the radius, adjust it so that it is 25. Okay, now keep it here. And draw a circle. So R2 is finished. Okay, R1, R2. R1 is 15. So this is radius 15. This is radius 25. Okay, now so in the question, okay, question number D, he is asking above the two circles with same curvature. In the question it is given same curvature. Okay, so same curvature, you have to write the formula of same curvature. So what is the formula? R center is equal to R curvature minus R circle. Okay, so here for two circles we will repeat the formula r center is equal to r curvature minus r1, r center is equal to r curvature minus r2. So here for the left side circle I will write r center equal to r curvature minus r1. Here r center equal to r curvature minus r2. Okay, so r curvature is given as how much? 100 from the question, minus r1 is how much? 15, so it will be 85. Here same, r curvature is 100, r2 is given as 25, so the result will be 75. Okay, now take the compass and take a radius of 85. Okay, take the compass and adjust the radius to be 85. So this is 85. Adjust the radius to 85. Now keep the compass in the left side end and draw an arc here. Okay, after that, so left side part is finished, 85. Now right side is how much? 75. Again take the compass and fix the length between the legs to 75. Okay, this is 75. Okay, so now keep the compass right side and draw an arc here. Okay, so now you will get a point. So what is this point? This is the point of the big circle. Okay, so this is the markaz of Daira Kabir. This one is markaz of Daira Kabir. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to draw a curvature above the two circles like this. Okay, with a what radius? With radius of curvature from here to here. From here to here it is what? Radius of curvature. So now in the question radius of curvature is 100. So we have to set the radius to 100. Set the radius to 100. Okay. So this is 100. Now keep it here in the intersection point of two curves, two arcs. Okay, and draw an arc between these two. Okay, from here to here draw a smooth arc. Okay, so this one is the curvature, same curvature above the two circles. Okay, now going to question number E. So till now you have seen tangent between two lines. Okay, these are the two lines, you have drawn a tangent between them. Okay, like this, again a tangent. Now after that you have seen between the two circles like this and like this, between any, this is between two lines. Okay, these two are for two lines. Now for two circles, Now you will see one line and one circle. And this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, now E is between a line and a circle. One line, one circle. Okay, so you have to draw a curvature like this. So question number E, let's see. Below D, draw a horizontal line near the bottom of the page. So first, step by step, draw a horizontal line near bottom of the page. So the line can be of any length. Simply draw a line. Hada line. Tool maafi mushkil. I tool. Okay. The length is not a problem. You can take any length. Okay. Now draw a circle of radius 25. So here only one circle. Okay. One circle only. So R1 is how much? 25. Okay. And the distance between the line and the circle is how much? 60 to 70 again. Above 60 to 70 millimeters. So I am taking as 70 millimeters. Okay. Toward the left, yani ilal yasar. Okay. So now in this direction, okay, keep the scale like this. So keep it at 70 exactly and mark it 0. Yani this is how much? 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this is what? This is the markers. Markers of the. This is the center of the circle. So now what you have to do? You have to draw a circle of radius 25. Draw a circle of radius. Take the compass. Arrange it so that the distance between the legs is 25. Okay, so this is 25. Now keep it here. Draw a circle of radius 25. Okay, now see here in the question, using a combination of method B and C. Now this is a method between line and circle. So awwal A and B are between two lines, C and D are between two circles. Now question number E is between line and circle. Okay, so you have two methods in this. Now let's see. Fit an arc of radius 30. Arc radius, yani radius of curvature, is given as how much? 30. Okay, and given as opposite curvature. Opposite. So first, for the line what we have to do? You have to draw a line above it at a distance of 30. Now let's check. Take the compass, take the scale, and at a distance of 30 make a dot here. Similarly, keep it in the left side and at a distance of 30 make a dot. Now you have to join the two dots in order to get a parallel line. Okay, so this distance is how much? This is 30 millimeters. Okay, So this is 30. This is for line. Line finish now. Okay. The method for line is finished now. Now coming to the circle. Okay. In the circle, we have to see whether it is same side or opposite side. Okay. In the question it is given as opposite side. Now we have to write the formula for the opposite curvature. Okay. Take the opposite curvature. Okay. Opposite curvature, what is the formula? R center. Right here. R center equal to R curvature plus R1. Okay. Now R curvature is how much? R curvature is 30. Okay, given in the question 30. R1 is how much? 25. Then it will be 55. Okay. So now same procedure. Take a radius of 55. Take the compass and arrange the distance as 55. Okay, and keep it at the center of this circle and draw an arc here so that it will touch the line. Okay, so this is the point we are getting. This is what Haza Markaz Daira Kabir. Okay, so now with radius of curvature we have to draw a circle between these two. Okay, now see, this is the combination of method B and C. For line, what we have to do? We have to take the radius of curvature, set it here 30, 30, then draw a horizontal line, yani draw a parallel line to the first line. So now this method is done for line. Second, what we have to do? We have to apply the method for circle. For circle, what we have to do? We have to look for same side or opposite side. Here it is opposite side. Opposite side, we have to take the opposite side formula. Okay, opposite side formula right here. If it is given here here opposite side, we have to write opposite side formula. If in the question it is given same side, same curvature, we have to apply this formula. Okay, now we have written the formula, we get 55. So we take a compass and keep it here, draw an arc of 55. Now we get the center of the big circle. From here, what we have to do? We have to do the final step. Final step is drawing the actual curvature. Okay. So the actual curvature is how much? Radius of curvature is 30. So adjust the length to 30. Okay. And keep it here. And draw a smooth curve like this. Okay, so this is the curvature of opposite side. Okay, so now going to question number, so the sheet number 6 is finished now. Going to sheet number 7. Okay, sheet 7. So in the sheet number 7, you have to draw the same thing given there. Okay, you have to copy the figure given there. So for that, first what you have to do? You have to draw two circles of radius 10. Now the radius is how much? 12. Okay, so here consider the radius is given as, there are actually three radiuses. Okay, radius 10 and for radius 10 you have three circles, and for radius 6 you have three circles as well. Okay, now first let's draw the radius 10. So first we have to take the scale the distance between the two circles is given as 75 khamsa sabin. Okay, so first draw from 0 to 75. Okay, 0 to 75, draw a line. Now, so what is the center of 75? 75 divided by 2 will be how much? 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, again 2 5s are 37.5. Okay, any nus? So this is 75. So 35, 36, 37. Okay, 37.5 here. Make a dot. Okay, so from here you have to take the protractor, keep it upside down like this, exactly keep it in the center, and mark 90 degrees. Okay, so here again you have to draw one more line. So what is the length of that line? It is 70. Okay, so take the scale, draw a line of 70. Okay, this is 70. Now you get 3 points. First point, second point, third point. Okay, so these are the 3 points where you have to draw 3 circles of radius 10. So here you have to get a big compass. With the smaller compass you cannot draw it with radius 10. Okay, I am asking you from the first class to buy this one. So here the radius is how much? You have to adjust the radius to 10. Okay, this is 10. So you have to draw 3 circles of radius 10. Keep it here. Draw a circle of radius 10. Okay, again here. Okay, similarly here. Okay, after drawing these 3 circles, what you have to do? You have to draw a curvature here, same curvature. See here, what does it look like? It look like the same curvature. See, there are 2 circles, you have to draw a curvature. Okay, what is the, here the name is not given, but we have to know which curvature, which side curvature it is. So if you observe carefully, here there are 2 circles. Similarly here there are 2 circles, here a curvature. So what is the name of this curvature? Same curvature. Now we have to write same curvature formula. Okay, so what is the same curvature formula? R center is equal to R curvature minus R1. R center is equal to R curvature minus R1. Here R center equal to R curvature minus R2. This is radius 1, radius 2. Okay, so R curvature. So what is the R curvature? The R curvature is given as 80. Okay, 80R. radius of curvature is given as 80 in the question. If you observe carefully, you will get as 80. So 80 minus R1 and R2. R1 and R2 we have drawn all the three circles of radius 10. Okay. So it will be 70. Also here radius of curvature is how much? The radius of curvature is 80 minus this radius is also same 10. So the result will be 70. Now what we have to do? Take the compass, okay, and measure 70 and also here 70. Adjust the radius to 70. Okay, adjust the radius to 70, keep it here left side, okay, and draw an arc like this. After that again here also right side also 70, okay, so keep here and draw an arc here like this. So these two arcs will intersect here, okay, this is the intersection point. So with this intersection point, okay, so what is the radius of curvature? 80. You have to keep it here and set 80. Radius of curvature is 80. Okay, now you have to set 80, 80. Okay, and keep it here and draw an arc between these two circles, okay, like this. Okay, so this arc is finished now. Now what you have to do? You have to connect these two circles. So in order to do that, simply connect these two circles using a scale, okay, take a scale and arrange the scale like this so that these 2 points will touch only at one point. See here, just leave small gap and connect the two circles like this, and similarly here cover everything and join the circles. Now the outside frame is finished, okay. Now these are the extra parts, you have to erase them, okay. These are not part of the construction. Now take the eraser and erase the circle. Okay. Now what is remaining here? The remaining thing is here there is a hexagon with a horizontal parts, okay. So what is the diameter of the hexagon? It is 24, okay, and from here to here the distance is given as 12. So take a scale, okay, keep it here, okay, take a scale, keep it here and mark 12. 10, 11, 12. At 12 make a dot. So this is the center of the hexagon. So what is the diameter? Diameter is 24 and radius is how much? 12. So you have to take the compass and adjust the radius to 12. Adjust the radius to 12. Okay, itna. Now keep it here in the center and draw a circle. Okay, so you have drawn a circle. Okay, now for horizontal flats, what you have to do? Horizontal flats, you have to draw a horizontal line. Okay, so now from the center of the circle, draw a horizontal line. Okay, after drawing the horizontal line, you will be getting 2 points. Okay, so from these points take the same radius 12. Okay, take the same radius 12. So it's already 12, you drawn with a 12 radius. Okay, and keep it here. First keep it here, right side, and draw 2 arcs, 1, 2. Okay, similarly keep it here, okay, and 3, 4. Okay, 3, 4. Now simply join the points. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to join them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't go beyond it. Okay, erase this part. So this is the hexagon. Okay, and this part must be erased. If you can erase it, if you can erase the circle, you can erase it, or else no problem. Now what is left? The remaining is 3 small circles inside these big circles. Okay, so here the diameter is given as 12. Okay, small circle, diameter is given as 12. This is diameter, so radius will be how much? 6. So now take the radius as 6. Okay, 1 minute, let me adjust this. Adjust the radius to 6. Okay, this is 6. With the 6 radius, you have to draw 3 circles. Keep it here and draw 3 small circles. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so the remaining things are, you have to do the dimensioning. Okay, so in order to do the dimensioning, what you have to do, you have to draw a line here, a line here, and join them. What is this distance? It is 75. Okay, next, this vertical distance, sorry, the from here to here, it is how much? 70. This is 70. Okay, now the remaining, here the distance is 12. Now here the dimension is opposite side, because it is very small, it cannot fit here. Okay, so this is how much? 12. Next here it is 80 r, radius of curvature. It is given as 80 r. Okay, next, this radius from here to here, from this point to this point, it is given as R10. Okay, so here you have to give a arrow. From here to here. Now this one, the smaller one is diameter 12. Drill 3 holes. So with this the dimensioning is finished. I think here one more is left, this one. This dimension is left, which is 24. here it is, you have to write it upside, but no space, that's why I'm writing here downside 24. So with this, the sheet number 7 is also completed. Okay, thank you.